Okay, for this assignment, guys, look around the room. I placed name tags out. So whatever name tag is kind of around you, that's the state you're going to be for this activity. And you can work with the person sitting next to you for this. You should have gotten this handout here, okay? A letter from James Madison, which I just read to you on the last video. So whatever state is around you, let's say it's Connecticut, okay? You're going to write in Connecticut or whatever state. And then you're going to answer these questions using this census data. This is directly on the slides that are listed here, or you can just pause this video and you can use this census to get the information. This is total population, including the slave population. So if you want to find out what their total population is without enslaved people, you're going to minus out the slave population. So use the census data in order to answer these questions with your partner. You're going to be figuring out if your state is considered a large state or a small state. Will your delegate from your state prefer the Virginia plan or the New Jersey plan? Why do they prefer that plan? How should the U.S. Constitution address the issue of slavery? Would the state you are representing want to have slaves counted as a part of representation? And how does your state feel about the issue of representation in Congress? Do you want it to be based on population, or does the state that you're representing want it to be equal representation for all? So spend a few minutes with your partner using the census data information to fill out the handout that you were given in class.